Hi everybody, I'm so glad to be here for my third tutorial. Today we're going to do this fabulous look I did the other day with these two colors right here. And starting with this first one right here, we take it and take it down to the eyelid. And then we take this darker color right here, take it and put it up here. And then onto the next eye. And today I will only be doing my eyes. Up to this one again. And then up to the next color right here. And this could be for anybody, grown-ups, kids, anybody. And then that's all. And I hope you guys have a great day doing this look. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.